Hello guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will share with you about how you can send more than 2000 4000 cold email without G Suite, without any account ban or limitation. So today I'm going to show you how you can send more than 1000 2000 email like I have sent like this, and I will show you exactly how I am sending all the email without any ban or account limit. So let's get started. We will use this tool. Let's extract email studio. Yeah, you can buy this tool from here. It's not so much expensive, but if you want to take it from me, I will give you a very low price. Okay, so you can buy it from here, but if you want, I can also provide you. If you want to take from me, you can contact me with my mail. I will charge you very less, like only $20. Okay, only $20 for all this feature, email extractor from anywhere, Facebook, Instagram, Google Map, Twitter, from all. And if you want this software from me, I will charge you only $20. Or if you want, you can take it from their official site also, from here. Okay, so let's get started with the tools. So this is the tools, and it's very easy tools to use for beginners. So if I want to put here any email list, I can just click on right button and then just add emails. Okay, then we have to copy email list, like I am copying from here. I will copy 100 email list from here. Okay, copy. I'm doing multiple copy at a time to make the video short. Okay, last one. I have copied 300 mail, 100. Okay, then I will go here, click on Windows plus B to see these three, and pasting first one, then okay. Okay, 107 100 email here, more than 100 has come, so I have to remove this all. I want to send very carefully. Okay, let's copy again. There was something error from here to 100. Okay, let me copy paste this one, and I will add this one. Okay, so 98. Okay, fine. Then I have to click on email sender. Okay, then I have to log in with my email account. You can see I have added this all email account. I will show you how you can add an email. So let's click on plus icon, then I will see here the account name. Okay, let's create an account first. Let's do it this one. Okay, then I will click on here and add another account. Okay, fine. And here we will create a new account. I can also use my own other account, so let me show you very carefully. Let's continue with this one. Let's this one, and here's password. Okay, let's see. There is no issue. We will continue with this one. Okay, fine. Save, escape. Okay, fine. Then what I have to do, I have to just click on here and just I have to manage this one. Okay, and I have to enable two-factor authentication on this account to get app password. So let's do it first. And here you can see when I'm in security, we will see here two-factor verification. We will enable this one, just turn on. Okay, and we will use this number. Fine. Okay, two-factor is on. Now we can set app password. We will search it for app password and we will see this one. Okay, and here we will put a name, email marketing create. Okay, perfect. And then we have to copy this one. Okay, just copy, done. And we will back to tools, we will give this password here. Okay, fine. And we will again back to here and we will copy the email address. Okay, fine. We'll back to, okay, here is the email and here I have put the account name. Here I'm giving my company name. Here I'm giving my email address, and here you have to give SMTP host name. So if I search on Google about what is SMTP, just write down Gmail SMTP server. You will see this one, Gmail SMTP server.com. Okay, and we will put this one in our tool here. Okay, and I have put it this one, and now just okay, and you can see I have added this one, just last one I have just added. Okay, now we have added connected our account, Gmail account with our LetExtract email studio. Now what I have to do, we have to create an email template. Here we will click on plus icon and we will use ChatGPT here. Let's bring the ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, let's give him a prompt. I am offering I'm offering Facebook ads service for Ireland for window plans company to get your coordinates. Write a short and eye-catching email. Okay, just simple prompt, and then we will use this one. Here you can see my WhatsApp number is already put it here, and we will copy this one. This is email body, and we will go to our tools. Okay, then you can check it here. What I have to do, I have to change this one. If I don't have any name, so I'm just sending without name with a hi there. And if you want to add your email address here, you can add. Email address. You can also contact me with this WhatsApp number if you want this email tools. So this is my email. Okay, and we have to copy that subject line. Okay, and you can check here about spam. Is there any chances to get it a spam box, so you know how to improve it. And if you see it's probably go to a spam box, so you can improve it. So it's important. Okay, you can see only one, so it's green, so it's not possible. It's not, there is not no possibility to get it in spam. Okay, then we will click on okay. Okay, then you can see we have saved it here. Now we will send it, and what I have to do, just click on start mailing. Okay, now you can see here it's processing here, and it will be started sending. You can see it's sending mails. Okay, and in this video I will show you how you can send almost to more than 2000 leads in a single hour with these tools, without any G Suite, without any monthly recurring. So if you buy these tools one time, and you can send it for a lifetime. I have lifetime deal for you. If you need these tools, you can contact me. Okay, and here it's sending, all good. Okay, all sent. Now what I have to do, I have to just remove this email, remove all, and we have to bring another one. Next, copy, and what I have to do, right click, add email, just put okay. Okay, send. Just we have to change the account. Okay, and then we can send this template or other template, no problem. Just sending, I start mailing. Okay, and if you are facing any kind of issue, you can comment below. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel, so I can give you more informative videos for you. This video is making a little bit long, but if you stay connected, I'm sure you will get benefited. Okay, you can see mail are sending, and you can also check this email is sending properly or not from your Gmail account also. Okay, I'm showing you that it's sending or not. I have showed you that I have connected this account, just this one. Okay, now I'm going to my Gmail. Okay, few were issue with finding the right email. Okay, if I go to my sandbox, you can see just right now it's 11:30 and it's 11:28. I have sent all the emails, you can see, so it's working. And if I check my tools again, all emails sent, and we have to, not this one, we have to remove this all email, remove all, and we have to bring next 100. Ctrl C, add and paste, then next. Okay, then email send, we'll change the email account, the next one, then start sending. This is how I will send all the email, and all will be sent like this one. So if you face any kind of issue, just feel free to ask me. And thank you for watching this video, and give me a thumbs up so I can get inspired. Thank you. Bye bye.